Good morning, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Welcome to another episode of Tech Tips Friday. Today's episode, I want to congratulate folks who got their first desktop built. I see tons of YouTube how-tos. If you follow it step by step and it boots to BIOS, congratulations. Now go back and clean up your cable management. But congratulations. It's the first step in probably a long step of them. You tend to keep doing it. If you did it successfully and enjoy doing it, more power to you. My tech tip today, though, is after you get it to boot to BIOS. Now an operating system needs to be installed on the computer to make it functional. You have three choices. There's Linux, which is freeware, and it's come a long way, but it's Linux. So, if you have time and patience, go ahead and try it out. Mint is a good choice. It has lots of drivers and support behind it, so it makes it a little easier than some of the other versions. Windows, you can download Windows 10 or Windows 11. You're going to have to download the ISO. There's spots on the internet that shows you right where the Microsoft site is to download the ISO. Once you do that, get it burned to a USB using a program like Rufus that's freeware. You're going to need a product key. There's various sources that don't endorse any method or whatever to get that product key. That's up to you. Or Apple, you can try Hackintosh, but that takes a little more patience too. The main thing is get an operating system on the PC so it'll boot up and be usable. That's the tech tip for today. If you have a PC in mind you see on our inventory or on our website or on our YouTube channel, feel free to come by and see us. Shop hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7, and we're located in the beautiful Grissom Road Business Park at 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121. Thanks for checking out our Tech Tip Friday. Thanks for checking out the YouTube channel, and have a good weekend. Come on by and see us.